I'd like to show you the stunning new switches and sockets from Hager. Throughout their 60-year history and European roots, Hager's design philosophy combines authentic and serene aesthetics without compromising on functionality, reliability or safety. What I particularly love about the Silhouette range are its elegant proportions and the variety of styles, finishes and colours you can choose from. They have the perfect solution no matter what look you're after. Hager has developed a patented system that prevents the switch mechanism from being pushed back into the wall cavity. Hager's Rotolock mechanism is an elegant solution that combines design and safety to offer homeowners peace of mind. Another smart solution in the Hager range is this multi-connectors panel. It consolidates in one plate the connections of all your entertainment devices. Smart TV, home theatre and sound system. A great way to minimise the visual impact of an unsightly array of cabling. Hager's range of wall switches and dimmers are simple and elegant in form thanks to their flush push-button functionality. They'll complement any room in the house with their restrained and confident style. You can change the colour of the LEDs at the touch of a button and preset the dimming level for instantaneous environment control. From the treated metal cover surface that reduces unsightly fingerprints, to the UV-resistant material that won't yellow over time, and the child safety shutters to protect curious kids from live sockets, Hager has combined modern, stylish aesthetics without compromising on functionality, reliability or safety.